Hello guys, welcome back to the Brutal Investor channel. I hope you guys had a wonderful day today. And today we're going to cover the topic of ONX.Finance. Have you ever wondered that you want to invest in a project which no one else has heard before, or it's pretty early that no one else is jumping on the bandwagon, right? And you just want to invest in it as much as you can before it gets listed on big exchanges. So this token is one of them, right? So this token is one of them. The reason why I'm saying that is that this token recently was supported by Binance as an airdrop program. So it basically stated on 22nd of December that Binance will support the ONX.Finance, ONX, the ticker symbol, airdrop program for Anchor users. So Anchor, as you guys know, is a relatively popular cryptocurrency. It's an ERC20 token. So people who held ANKR or Anchor tokens in their Binance account, they were eligible for getting an airdrop from ONX.Finance, which was a pretty cool deal because you only had to hold Anchor in order to get another token. So the details of the airdrop basically mentioned that if you hold one ONX, if you hold 10,000 Anchor tokens, you'll get one ONX. So again, as you can see, the proportion is a little weird. That's probably because of the fact that Anchor is itself trading less than $1, right? Less than 10 cents even, right? So let's get into this token and see what is it all about and how you guys can take advantage of it. Because if you had missed the airdrop on Binance, don't worry, there's a way that you can still get early onto this token. But again, you would have to do your own research in order to determine that for yourself, right? So I just want to make sure that we go to the platform and cover the basics. So ONX.Finance, the first DeFi hub for collateralized tokens. So what this project is basically um, it claims to be the missing link on top of the existing DeFi foundation, a platform specifically targeting collateralized tokens such as LP tokens, such as Uniswap and SushiSwap, liquidity pool tokens, yield farming tokens for YFI, and the emerging bond tokens such as Anchor ETH bond tokens, right? So this project is basically like claims to be the missing link, which tries to provide a platform for place where you can kind of hold all the liquidity tokens that you receive from Uniswap, SushiSwap, yield earning tokens such as YFI, and also the emerging bond tokens such as Anchor ETH in order to get in order to access the new version of DeFi that this project claims to be. So ONX will be the first project to build a DeFi platform specifically targeting collateralized tokens, including services such as yield farming, which is currently active right now, collateralized token walls, which is coming soon, lending, which is also coming soon, insurance, automated market manager, and AMM CTS. So automated market maker, which is, yeah. So basically, as you guys can see, this is sort of like a short roadmap on what this project aims to achieve. So yield farming is currently underway. So if you guys have some spare Ethereum that you want to invest in, this is probably a project which might be of interest to you, because although I wasn't able to open the app myself because on my phone I wasn't able to connect to Ethereum wallet, MetaMask wallet. But the project itself has liquidity mining programs where you just need to provide ETH Anchor LP tokens or something like that, and ETH ONX LP tokens, for which you get a considerably good APY, which is which used to be at 150 APY like a few days back when I was looking at it. I don't know if it's reduced now, but yeah, it's a pretty good project for if you're waiting for the markets to kind of start pumping again, or if you're really interested in seeing how ONX as a token would perform in this bull market. This is one of the ways to get an exposure to this token, right? So ONX airdrop to Anchor holders. So to support Anchor ETH, one of the first bond tokens for Ethereum 2.0 staking, we are conducting an exchange airdrop of ONX tokens to Anchor holders on major exchanges. So this was what was happening last month with regards to this project. They were pretty hyped up about their listing, about their airdrop on big exchanges such as Binance. So again, if you have spare Anchor tokens by any chance, you can obviously deposit it in this contract to get ONX tokens. You'd get 1x, 1x payout on that. AETH is going to give you 2x. AETH and ETH, liquidity pool would give you liquidity mining, liquidity farming program would give you 7x in return, and ONX ETH, which was currently what I was in before, it gave me 10x in ONX, rewards. So yield farming as token distribution. Majority, 93% of the token supply will be distributed over the next year through yield farming pool, so which is very good. So if you are looking for a decent yield farming opportunity, I would probably suggest this option from ONX.Finance. The release schedule will be based on the number of ONX per block until the maximum supply of 10 million ONX is reached. Again, 10 million ONX is actually a pretty decent number considering the maximum supply of several tokens, which I recently researched, was 10 trillion or even 100 trillion for some of them. The following pools are initially planned for distribution. ONX utility token. The ONX token forms an integral part of the ONX.Finance protocol. The ONX token will be used for platform fees. That's great. Receiving discounts on the ONX platform, earning a portion of the trading fees from the platform governance, and that's it. That's great. So basically, by holding ONX, you are entitled to certain benefits, and these are the four benefits. You can earn trade a small portion of the trading fees. You're going to be able to pay platform fees based on ONX tokens and also receive discounts on this platform. So it's a pretty cool incentive to hold ONX token if you feel like this project has any long-term potential, right? Again, we are going deep into the metrics here. We'll finish this one off and then we'll go to the coin market cap page for this token. The ONX token release schedule is based on the number of ONX mined per block until the maximum supply of 10 million ONX tokens is reached. 93% is reserved for distribution via yield farming, which is awesome. 4% is reserved for the exchange airdrop campaign, which was basically what all anchor holders on Binance received last month, including myself. 3% is reserved for the ONX treasury, time locked, so they're not going to dump on you. 2% of every harvest for insurance fund. Again, I really like the insurance idea. It kind of puts this project in a more legit position. So 5% of every harvest for treasury. So that's a pretty cool token model if you ask me. Again, I have seen a couple of weird token models before, but this token model is actually pretty good, and I like the maximum supply not being too much for a small token like this one. So let's now go to the coin market cap page. Again, if you see, the coin is currently traded at 39 cents per coin, and it was up in the last 24 hours about 1.33%. So that's pretty decent price. If you want to wait till it goes a little lower, that's pretty good as well. So if you see the overall chart for this, again, we are looking at somewhere between the 23rd of December, which is basically when we have the data from, the earliest data on coin market cap at least. So you can see it has been on a downtrend, right? So it has been going down, and it went from about $4.72 all the way till 39. Again, I'm pretty sure it will continue to go a little lower, maybe up to 38 cents or maybe 38.5 cents, around that range. But again, it's a pretty slow moving crypto. I have been following this for the past few days, and I noticed that the price has relatively, stayed in the 40 cents, 39 cents area. So again, the most important thing that we need to focus on is some of the data here, right? So you can clearly see this coin is on the 2613th rank, which is again, uh, I believe that again, based on what I read about this token and what the potential for this to be listed on Binance, 2613th ranking is a pretty decent deal. The reason is, if this coin gets listed on Binance, I'm pretty sure that's going to be in the top 500 tokens soon. Again, once Binance starts listing it, I'm pretty sure that even more exchanges would list it, which can kind of push this token somewhere in the 100 to 150th rank, which is pretty cool for a token of of this potential, right? And they pretty much have a lot of use cases for this token on their own platform, which also is pretty relieving. Um, Again, if you see here, the all-time highs was $7.22 and the all-time low is 34 cents. So if you see, the current price of 39 cents is not that far away from the all-time low area. So if you were to invest in this token right now, again, I'm not saying that you should invest in this. I'm just making my call on this. It's your responsibility to do your own research, right? So if you were to invest on this token today at this price, again, considering the all-time high, which was only 21 days back, you are getting a pretty good deal. And again, you must realize that we are in the middle of a bull market right now. I know a lot of coins, including Bitcoin, kind of cooled off in the last 2 days or something like that. But most of these coins will recover because Bitcoin itself will recover, right? And once Bitcoin crosses like 50,000, 60, 70, 80, 90, and even $100,000, Ethereum is going to pump. And when Ethereum pumps, all these low cap gems are going to pump as well, right? ONX is a ERC20 token, so when all other Ethereum tokens do well, there's no doubt that this coin will do hugely well, right? Again, I don't think that it will reach all-time highs anytime soon, but I do believe that a Binance listing is definitely on the works because, think about this: a big exchange like Binance, they list, they kind of airdrop this token and they don't list it. There's no sense to it, right? I'm pretty sure that Binance will probably list this sometime, maybe in the next month or so. I'm pretty sure that they have the technological capabilities to list it sooner, but I feel like they're kind of going to wait on it because I feel like if they list too many tokens, early, probably they won't have a lot more tokens to list in the middle of a bull market because that's not going to earn them more money, right? So I feel like Binance is making a calculated step to slow down the listing of this token, and also the XYM listing will also, pretty sure that will be delayed. So regardless of that, I believe that this token has great potential. I really like the 10 million max supply of ONX, which is pretty good. And again, it's the based on the tokenomics, you can see that the vesting period for this token by the management of ONX team is also locked. So you're not going to see any more dumps from you're not going to see any dumps from this project team, right? So basically, that's pretty much it. I believe that this token has amazing potential. To summarize what we've discussed so far, ONX aims to be one of the few DeFi platforms that that's mainly focused on liquidity. Like it's a platform for liquidity pools tokens such as Uniswap liquidity pool tokens and SushiSwap tokens. It tries to be one of the it tries to get into the top 50 top 25 DeFi projects. I believe that that's the aim based on what I read from their website. And I'm pretty sure that this project, based on the pricing, the strong use case of this token in their own website, and the fact that it's an ERC20 token, and also don't forget the fact that we are in the middle of a bull market. everything is going to pump, right? Including, even if this coin were to be, total garbage, like garbage is pump higher during a bull market, right? And I'm pretty sure that this project is going to succeed in the future. And being a low cap gem, with potential Binance listing, again I forgot to cover the markets for this. So if you see the markets, right, we don't really have a lot of markets apart from Uniswap. So I did realize that the Ethereum gas fees on Uniswap is pretty high right now. But if you wait till the gas prices cool down, right, and grab a whole bunch of these tokens and maybe wait till the Binance listing commences, right, you'll have a pretty decent bag. And once this starts pumping on Binance, there is no way to stop this, because the Binance pump is going to get you a decent 2 to 3x initially. But if either you can hold on to the tokens, or you could sell the top and buy it when it's bottom down on Binance. And if you hold it down for this year, by the end of this year, I'm pretty sure that this token would be worth at least half the value of its all-time high, right? Again, I believe that as more news comes from this project, the value of this is only going to increase, and more people are going to get into this, because Ethereum, any Ethereum project that has a strong project tokenomics, and strong use cases like this coin, will definitely get attention soon. So again, I'm not an investment advisor. You have to do your own research before you invest your money in this token. But I'm just saying things that I may potentially do. I'll probably wait till the gas prices go low and probably put, throw in $1,000 or something. There's a chance that it could become $2,000 in the next month or so when Binance lists it. But even if Binance delays listing, or for some reason if it doesn't get listed on Binance, which I'm pretty sure there's no chance that it's not going to get listed because of the airdrop factor, right? It will still pump because of the bull run, and I can sell it on Uniswap itself and get more ETH to this coin, right? So that's my plan. Again, uh, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to get more awesome content like this. Remember, you're not a regular investor, you're a brutal investor, so stay brutal. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.